Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to get the Afterpay Plus card in 2025. If you're a fan of buy now pay later services, this card could be a game changer, offering perks like higher spending limits, exclusive rewards, and seamless integration with your favorite stores. Whether you're shopping for fashion, tech, or everyday essentials, getting this card is easier than you think. Let's break it down step by step so you can start using it right away. First things first, make sure you meet the eligibility requirements. For 2025, Afterpay has updated its criteria to include being at least 18 years old, having a valid bank account, and a good payment history with Afterpay or similar services. It's always smart to check the official Afterpay website for the latest details, as policies can change. Step 1. Download the Afterpay app from your device's App Store. It's free and available for both iOS and Android. Once installed, sign up for an account if you haven't already, or log in if you're an existing user. You'll need to provide your email, phone number, and some basic personal info to get started. Next, navigate to the Cards or Plus section in the app. Here, you'll find the option to apply for the Afterpay Plus card. Fill out the application form, which might ask for details like your address, ID verification, and banking information. Don't worry, it's secure and straightforward. After submitting your application, Afterpay will review it quickly, often within minutes. If approved, you'll receive a digital card instantly, and a physical one might be mailed to you. Activate it through the app, link it to your wallet, and you're good to go. A few tips for 2025. Keep an eye on any promotional offers, like bonus rewards for new users, and always make payments on time to maintain your account's health. Remember, responsible use is key to building your credit. There you have it. Getting the Afterpay Plus card is simple and can enhance your shopping experience. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.